Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon roll cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 box of yellow cake mix, 4 eggs, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of light brown sugar, and you want that packed, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and then 1 tub of cream cheese frosting, or you can make your own. It's up to you. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 325, and then we're going to spray a 9x11 baking dish with cooking spray. That looks good. So now in a large bowl, we are going to mix our cake mix, oil, eggs, vanilla, sour cream with an electric mixer on low speed for 30 seconds and then medium speed for 2 minutes. That looks nice and combined. So now in another bowl, you're just going to take your brown sugar and your cinnamon and you're just going to mix that together with a spoon until it's well incorporated. That's well combined. So now we are going to take half of our batter and pour it into our prepared pan. That looks great to me. So next we are just going to sprinkle half of our cinnamon sugar mixture over top. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and pour the rest of our batter over top. The rest of my cake mix has been added, and then I just sprinkled the rest of my cinnamon sugar mixture over top. So now I'm going to take a knife or a skewer or a toothpick, and we're going to just swirl this, but you don't want to swirl it too much. That looks pretty well swirled to me. So now we are going to get this into our preheated oven at 325 for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. My cake just came out of the oven, and mine did bake the entire 40 minutes. And it smells amazing. So now we are just going to let it cool for 15 minutes, and then we are going to add our cream cheese frosting. My cake has been cooling for 15 minutes, so I went ahead and took a long skewer and just poked holes all over it because I really want my cream cheese frosting to get down in there like a poke cake. So I just took my lid off in the foil, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the microwave for 20 seconds. That looks nice and gooey, so I am just going to drizzle that all over my cake. That looks great. I used all of my frosting. So now I'm just going to let this sit for about 10 minutes before we see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I've got a nice piece here for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, come on, good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.